Hi everybody, this is Molly and this is my Ecology of Place video. So I live in Harbor Springs, Michigan, which is in the northwest corner of the state. It's a pretty rural area, so there's not any major cities or suburbs around, but we do have a lot of nature. So our house is back in the woods over there, but this beach is just a quick 2-minute walk from our house, and it's right on Lake Michigan, so it's very pretty and there's a lot of good examples of ecology here that I thought I could show you guys. So right now it's pretty chilly still. The lake just melted today actually. Yesterday there was a sheet of ice over the top of it, but it's just starting to melt now. There's still some icebergs floating around in there. But now it's starting to turn to spring and we're gonna start to see the beach come back to life a little bit. So over here, next to me, we can see some of these little pools forming. A lot of populations of different organisms are going to start to come to these pools as it gets warmer. So these pools foster a lot of bugs like flies and mosquitoes in the springtime. And also ducks come here, frogs lay eggs, there's a lot of tadpoles, and it turns into kind of a marshy environment down here. A lot of beach grasses grow and other plants, and so together they all kind of create a good example of community ecology where there's a lot of organisms interacting. In addition to the pools, we also get some normal beach animals, like for example we get a lot of birds like wood ducks, swans, geese. We get common gulls, and we also get some wood birds because we are so close to the woods, so we'll get sparrows or chickadees. And last summer we had a really cool eagle's nest down here actually. It was over by those trees and you could kayak to it. And there were 2 bald eagles that had a nest, and they had 2 little babies that you could see as well. So that was a really cool thing to see when you were down on the beach. And that kind of covers a lot of the populations that we get and the communities that they create. In terms of ecosystems, the beach provides a lot. It provides an opportunity for sediment deposits and sediment storage. So when the water pushes sand onto the beach can provide a place for that, and it can also handle changing water levels. Like in years when there's a lot of snow, we have less of a beach, and years when there is less snow, we can have more of a beach, and it can change throughout the year. And then also the beach does feel some human pressures like pollution, unfortunately. Sometimes people come down to the beach here, they leave garbage or can smoke, and this can affect the air pollution. And so this affects the beach in the ecosystem, and also just recreation and moving around on the sand can also affect the beach. So that is kind of a little bit of an overview of the populations, communities, and ecosystems on the Harbor Cove Beach in Harbor Springs, Michigan.